Here are today's biggest moves on the Indian stock market, analyzed straight from the exchange filings by flashfinance.news. 3 stories, ordered by market value from the largest company down, what changed, the key numbers, why it matters, and what to watch. Let's get into it. Story 1. Sri Lotus Developers and Realty. Rupees 1,600 crore GDV commercial redevelopment project win in Juhu. What changed? Sri Lotus Developers has secured a major commercial redevelopment mandate in Juhu, adding rupees 1,600 crore to its future revenue pipeline. The key numbers. Estimated GDV, rupees 1,600 crore. GDV versus TTM revenue, tilde to 70%. Total carpet area, 3.46 lakh SQ feet commencement target, Q3 FY28. Completion timeline, 3 to 4 years. Why it matters? The project significantly scales the company's commercial portfolio in a supply-constrained premium market, providing long-term revenue visibility and reinforcing its rapid execution strategy. What to watch? Watch for the timely receipt of regulatory approvals leading up to the Q3 FY28 commencement and monitor the company's quarterly updates on its existing rupees 13,000 to 14,000 crore pipeline execution. Story 2. Texmaco Rail and Engineering. Rupees 9,923 crore order book. Texmaco Rail Q1 PAT jumps 86% year-on-year to rupees 52 crore. What changed? Texmaco has significantly scaled its order pipeline, securing more orders in a single quarter, rupees 5,200 crore, than its entire TTM revenue, while simultaneously improving operational margins. The key numbers. Total order book, rupees 9,923 crore. Order book versus TTM revenue, 226.7%. New orders in Q1, rupees 5,200 crore. Q1 revenue, rupees 753 crore. EBITDA margin, 10.8%. Vegan sales, 1,054 units. Why it matters? The surge in order wins and margin expansion indicates a shift towards higher-value private and international contracts, reducing reliance on low-margin government tenders and improving cash flow through lower interest burdens. What to watch? Investors should monitor the execution pace of the massive rupees 9,923 crore order book and the progress of the proposed demerger of the loss-making Infrarail and Green Energy division to lean out the balance sheet. Story 3. Bharat Electricals and Engineering. Rupees 70 crore new order win, order book reaches rupees 294.39 crore. What changed? The company has added rupees 70 crore in new contracts, significantly expanding its order book and securing work from major utilities like Tata Power and state discoms. The key numbers. New order value, rupees 70 crore. Order versus FY25 revenue, tilde 39.8%. Total order book, rupees 294.39 crore. Execution timeline, 3 to 9 months. RMU quantity, 850 numbers. Why it matters? The order size is nearly 40% of the previous year's total revenue, indicating a scaling up of operations and validating the company's manufacturing capabilities in the specialized RMU and substation segment. What to watch? Investors should monitor the quarterly revenue growth over the next 2 to 3 quarters to ensure the 3 to 9 month execution timeline is met, as this will directly impact PAT margins, which the company aims to stabilize at 10%. That's today's market wrap. For the full AI analysis of every NSE and BSE filing, visit flashfinance.news. Like and subscribe for daily market updates. Educational analysis, not investment advice.